Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about this, and first of all, how you guys doing? Hope you're doing great. I'm so happy to be here. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching, and please, before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and the post notification bell. In that way you don't miss any video from me. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button to promote my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. So please hit that like button, and you can share my video, share them with friends, share them with loved ones. So that is it, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Today, do what you love and do it often. Bye guys. So I'll be using this concealer. This one is from Sac Lady, to prime my lid. So as you guys can see, I have done my brows. So if you want to see the video of how I do my brows, I'm going to link it somewhere here. That's the first video I did on my channel. So I know for long now I have changed the pattern of my brows. Sometimes it's not always the same. It's not always the same when you do your brows. I don't know. So today I'll be using this eyeshadow palette. This one is from Makeup Revolution. So I have used it before. These are the gorgeous shades. It has some shimmers and it has a matte eyeshadow as well. So I'll use that shade to blend the top, the upper side. I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Sephora, and I'm going to dip, since the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow don't have cream color, so I'm going to use this cream shade. This one right here. All I'm doing is just blending it, trying to remove the ash line. I'm going to take this shade here, Enchanted, that here, to add a little definition. To set that with this. I'm going to apply this Last Sun, this shade here. Take a smaller brush and just pack that the Sweet and Swine. I'm going to add this Infinity just at the middle. I'm going to add mascara. I'll be using these lashes. This is my first time I want to use these lashes. I got these lashes from AliExpress. So now my lashes are on. So I'm going to move on to my face, and I'm going to use this primer. I'm just going to massage this. I'll be using this foundation. This one is too light for my skin tone. I have used this before, so today I want to switch on to this to see if I'll be able to get my actual color, because the last video I did, I missed the two, so I find out that it was too light for me. So today I want to try this one. This one is the F13.5. I took the wrong shade. It's this dark shade I want to use. The foundation looked great on my skin, on my face. I'm going to set my face with this Peggy Stage Paris. Then I'm going to bronze my face with this. This is from Essence on my waterline. Then I'll go back to this shade, Sweet and Swan. Not yet, but I'm going to use this shade here, Dreams. Set the whole of my face. Why I use my blush, I apply blush before setting my face because I don't want the blush to be too bright on my skin, so I prefer it this way. I'll play with this. I'm just playing with it. See my cheek. So that is it for my highlighter. Use this highlighter. This one is from Makeup Revolution Rose Gold. I don't know if this highlighter is too bright for me. I don't just know. What do you guys think? You think it's too bright? The brush I use for the blush, I use for the blush. Then so I'm just going to set my brows with this. this eyebrow gel is very important. It makes your brows stay in place all day. So if you don't have it, you have to get one. Must not be this very one. I bought this one from Primark. You can get from other shop as well. If you want, you can check Primark if Primark is close to you, or you check other shop. I'm going to use the diamond milk from Fenty Beauty. And that completes my look.